You're now watching Doorbell News.
This Walmart location here on Southeast 82nd Avenue is one of two Portland locations that will be closing. The other is in North Portland on Hayden Meadows Drive. Now, I spoke to customers at both locations, and they say the closing of these Walmarts will have a huge impact on their neighborhoods.
Portland, Oregon. Loss is an everyday part of the retail business. It's even budgeted for. Check out some of these videos. You'll see exactly why Walmart decided to close down their Portland stores. Yeah. Yeah, the box is empty. Aha, get lost! You may remember this lady's house from that one video with the ballerina girl.
I'm so sorry to bother you. We just need to jump if you can. I got cables and everything.
What? Okay, I'm a ballerina for the Portland State.
The woman opens her door.
I just need to jump, that's it.
Yeah, this red-haired porch pirate gets caught in the act, and then she tries to play it off. Let's see what happens.
Hello?
Looking for Brenda.
I was at my house.
Oh, sorry.
No Brenda was there.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Hi,
Sure.
Debbie.
Sure. She's a killer.
Oh, yeah, she looks like it. Hi, Davy.
Come
Thank
on.
you. Sorry to bother you.
That's right. Come on, sir.
Yeah, she's always encountering pirates in front of her house. Don't open your door for these pirates.
That's weird. Somebody here? Oh, well.
Yeah, can't leave nothing outside. This guy stole some potato chips off someone's porch. Hey, those are my snacks. Put those back. Yeah, they're taking everything. Check her out.
Oh, it's Amazon. Oh my god. Is it Amazon?
No, that wasn't Amazon.
No, it's a van.
Yeah, she's gone.
Just good. Why did they just do? And they left the gate open. What just happened?
You got. That's what just happened.
Walmart says they're closing both Portland locations because they were not meeting financial expectations. But customers wonder if it's shoplifters impacting the store's bottom line.
I don't know where they're gonna go.
Yeah, how you gonna stay in business when these creeps are breaking into your store, causing more damage than the stuff they're even taking? This small business owner had to face the blues. They caused more damage breaking in than the items that they took. Yeah, it's a shame. These small business owners about to have to pay the price now. Yeah, it's a shame. Can't even leave trash cans outside anymore. What are these, some recycling cans? Hey, put my recycling cans back, buddy. We got a doorknob wiggler here. Hey, get lost! Make sure those car doors are locked also. Check this guy out. Wiggling car door knobs, trying to see if they're open. Yeah, this family left their car open. Luckily, they caught this guy in the act and set off the ring alarm. Yeah, get lost! Vancouver, Washington, about 10 miles away from Portland.
I had to take my drug out. Hang on, this is mine. What's up, boys?
Check this guy out.
Make sure. No, what the hell? I think that's good. Okay. Walking by me, hospital. Oh. Oh shit. Okay. Alright. Sure. I'm by sleeping. I'm trying to find a button. I don't know why. But yeah. Hello? Hey, I was wondering if you guys had any a blanket or something to drink. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Did you guys have a blanket or anything? I was saying like a blanket. Oh, okay, cool. Well, how about I tell them down there?
Can't even leave cookies outside anymore. This lady took this neighbor's baked goods. Hey, those are my chocolate chip cookies. Put that back. Vancouver, Washington. This guy got something in his hand. Looks like a jimmy or something. Yeah, looks like he's looking under the mat. This is what's going down in Portland. Yeah, I see why Walmart shut down. A lot of pirates roaming around. Yeah. Meanwhile in Vancouver,
Thank you.
make sure you hit the thumbs up on this video. New episode coming tomorrow.
This is Jen from Doorbell News. We are now offering members only exclusive content.
Become a member of Doorbell News today. Get exclusive content. Join today for exclusive access.
Become a member of Doorbell News today.
Doorbell News Crime Watch. Coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.
If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera. Hide your camera with Cam Masker. Cam Masker works with Ring, Wise, Blink Mini, and Nest Cam. Order yours today at cammasker.com.